Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Sapneil coming to you from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to stand out in college admissions and how to stand out amongst the college admissions officers, the complete guide. We're going to give you 10 main steps as to what makes a comprehensive and holistic student when applying to all universities. Number 1, excel academically and go beyond the basics. Taking very rigorous courses such as AP, IB, and AICE and dual enrollment courses demonstrates an upward trend in your GPA and also demonstrates that your class rigor is tough. Maintain a good GPA in these classes as well. Number 2, achieve strong standardized test scores, whether it's the SAT, ACT, or CLT, or any other standardized exam required for college entrance. Make sure to do all of these. Number 3, write a standout personal statement. Talk about your passion project, talk about your character, and there's so much more that we can discuss in personal statement. Number 4, demonstrate meaningful extracurricular involvement, whether it's leadership roles, clubs and activities, community youth organizations, churches and temples, wherever you have demonstrated leadership qualities and have been involved for a consistent, long period of time, demonstrate that to extracurricular activities. Number 5, engage in community service with impact. Don't just do it for the sake of the hours, but do it for the impact and the purpose. Number 6, obtain strong letters of recommendation, whether it's from teachers, counselors, mentors. Give them a clear and transparent background of what you're trying to achieve and how they have known you for the last several years in terms of your academic journey as well as your own leadership and personal journey. Number 7, demonstrate interest in your target schools. Follow up with thank you emails after interactions with college officials and apply early decision or early action if you have a top choice school. Number 8, pursue unique passion projects. Colleges value students who take initiative outside of the classroom. Consider independent research, starting a blog, launching a small business, or leading a social movement. Number 9, build a strong online presence. Maintain a clean and professional digital footprint. Colleges may check your social media. If relevant, create a LinkedIn profile, personal website, or portfolio showcasing your work. Engage in online communities related to your field of interest. Number 10, craft a well-rounded application. This is really important. Make sure everything is connected. Your essays, your extracurricular activity, your passion project, your GPA, your scores, standardized test scores. Everything that's going to make you a holistic and competitive applicant to your universities are very important. My name is Dr. Sapneil, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, admissions counseling, executive function and neurodiversity applications, psych ed testing, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how we can help your child along this academic journey to make them the best fit possible for the most competitive universities, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. My team and I will be more than happy to help you along this academic journey. Thank you so much. We look forward to speaking to you soon.